So guys, I am standing at the station. I don't know which station is it, but I am standing here, and within couple of minutes the train will start from here. And you can see over here a lot of persons are sleeping, and you can also listen the announcement which has been doing by the operator. It may be, and you can see over there a lot of persons are sleeping over there, and you can see one train has come. It is going. I think the train is about to go. From here you can also see the train is going, and some people are sleeping, and it's 1:10 o'clock. So I got up at the railway station to make a vlog. No one is here, so I can make vlog here right now without any discomfort. You can see some few person are sitting over there. So now I am going inside it, and I will keep making the vlog. From this side you can also see. So here you can see the greenery, and these are I am watching the trees, which I don't know which kind of trees are these. And the weather is pleasant over here. It is looking awesome. And you can also listen the flow of the water. So whenever you go at that time you feel happy